All right, so what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Chainlink today and why this cryptocurrency may never hit $50 again. Is the market currently in Chainlink headed back down towards $8? We're going to talk about that today on the video. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe on my videos and content. We are here to give you all the news according to the charts and as well as predict where we're expecting the market to go without any confusion. So if you guys want to learn more, like I said, tap that bell notification as well, so you don't miss out on when these videos are posted to this platform. So here it is right now. We did a price prediction in Chainlink going all the way back to like December 2024 with the expectation that the market was going to go down. Now, initially, Chainlink price did go down, right? We saw the market in Chainlink bounce off of this buy pocket, which we talked about. That's why it's there. And that's where the market from Chainlink began to go higher. So did you take some of this profit in the market in Chainlink on January the 13th, 2025? That's 16.21% right there. After this particular day, the market in Chainlink ran all the way back up to, what is this, a high of, on January 22nd, $27.21. That is where the market topped out. And then the market from there began to go lower and lower and lower and lower. And here it is today at 14 bucks. So pretty good call there. Outside of us looking at the market in Chainlink running all the way up here to $28, our price prediction would have given us full TP on February the 3rd of 25.14%. So let's get rid of that. Let's also get rid of this downtrend line. Let's get rid of this. Well, we're not going to get rid of it. We're going to move it. We're going to move this sell pocket in Chainlink right there. We will get rid of this buy pocket, as well as this one. Okay, so the buyer has done terrible at trying to keep Chainlink from going lower. They haven't supported the price. Every time the sellers hit the market in Chainlink, the buyers didn't show up, so price continued to go down. So with that being made and said, we can create more sell pockets. Okay, that's what we're going to do. These are positions that we would expect, if the buyers do come back into the market, that they will embark on more selling pressure. Okay, so this is what these pockets represent. That's red, sell pockets. And then we're going to create this buy pocket all the way down here in Chainlink. Now, we talked about, could the market in Chainlink run all the way back down to $8? It's definitely doable. I mean, we're trading at $14 now. So for us to act like it's impossible would be kind of crazy, because just a couple of months ago, August of last year, 2024, the market in Chainlink hit a low of $8.08. So it's not like it's out the realm of possibility that it can't happen. Just a couple of months ago, in 2024, it hit $8.08. I think, though, that this area right here could potentially stop the market from running to $8, but it's pretty close to where you can say it's close enough to see Chainlink run to $8. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to create another pocket in the market for Chainlink right here. This is a very important buy pocket. Okay, just like I was telling you, every time price comes down, you can see as a reference how the buyers did not let these sellers trade price below this pocket. That's massive. And it took them, what, a couple of months. You guys can see how determined these buyers were in Chainlink and not letting these sellers break price below $10. That is what we want to see now. As we're seeing Chainlink descend lower in price, we need to see a basis, a support area, a buy pocket that is not being neglected, that is not being broken. Okay, until we see that, then the prospect of us looking for Chainlink to go lower, even potentially coming back down to $10, is still on the table. Okay, so now let's look at Chainlink on a couple of different time frames. So here it is on the 2. Okay, so it's not extremely bullish, it's not extremely bearish. I do see this area right here though as another sell pocket. Now here it is on the 3. I'm just doing a quick look. Trying to see if the market in Chainlink is becoming more bullish or is it still maintaining its bearishness. Okay, so you guys can see it even right here on this last 4-day bar. That's definitely weakness there. Here it is on the 5. Chainlink on the week. Right there. Doesn't look good. Here is Chainlink on the 2. Here it is on the 3. And the 5. And then let's look at the market in Chainlink on the month of March. Okay. So the volume for March and even in February is about the same, right? But then you look at the bars of each of these volumes and someone is trying to come into the market right now in Chainlink throughout the month of March, and they're trying to keep the market from going any lower because they were buying. That's why we're seeing the same amount of volume but a smaller spread for the month of March than in February. Someone is trying to put a stop to price in Chainlink going down. So we should be able to see that on the hourly chart, right? Right here. Okay, that's one area. And then we have the next area of people who thought Chainlink was a buy. These people right here who supported Chainlink. And they're trying to come in right now and they're trying to do it again. Okay, so yeah, short term, yeah, we can see the market in Chainlink go higher. Like I said, we already created this pocket right here selling for Chainlink there. So yeah, we can see a run up back up to that area, $17, $16. But you know what we're not really seeing is the volume coming through. So a lot of people aren't really believing in Chainlink right now. So like, since I don't do this particular cryptocurrency every day, we're going to look towards the long term for Chainlink, and we're going to look for it to go down. Okay. Now, it's not going to be too crazy, not out the norm of possibility, but we're going to look for the market in Chainlink to go lower. First target is going to be right here in this pocket. It might touch just the high of this buy pocket. I mean, it's still decent. It gives us 11.44%. At the bottom of the pocket gives 15.25. Then our next target is going to be all the way down here towards $10. That most important buy pocket that I referenced earlier in the video. Okay. So let's bring this all the way up here to this bigger sell pocket. And that is it. We're done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.